I see the dance floor as a garden, sort of as a space for community and commune. You can't take away house or techno from Chicago and Detroit. I'm Ryan Clarke. I'm a geologist, a writer, and a deep listener from the Gulf South. Shirley Sound is an audio-video installation that puts the uncompressed sound right next to the sounds that are compressed out of certain formats like the MP3. And usually what is left out are the sounds that many experts considered illegitimate or redundant sounds. And those lines usually fall on racial and class lines. Music culture is communion, and it's a personal one. And so if you have outside groups deciding what is worthy to be remembered, I think that should be confronted. It was kind of functioning as a chill-out room, but also a bit of a meditation space for people to reflect on a lot of Black artists and their work that they may have never seen or heard, but also understanding what they weren't hearing. The atmosphere was pure positivity. Everyone was just happy. We need this sort of thing. I think that the Boiler Room Festival gave a lot of people the space to express a lot of stifled feelings and emotions, and it all came out. Yeah, it was a beautiful thing.